need to call Henry.
Hey, Miranda.
Henry, what's going on?
Oh, just working away. What are you up to?
Well, I don't know. I've been seeing some alarms going on here at the SMT line.
Oh, you know what? That's me. I don't have my wrist strap on. I've actually been working here, and I did hear the alarm, but I don't have my wrist strap on. That's my bad.
So what? I'm out for a couple days and this is what happens?
You're right. That's my fault. I'm actually putting on my wrist strap right now. My apologies. Let me go ahead and put that on. You got it. So I've got my wrist strap on. Did you see an alarm on the software?
Yeah, I saw an alarm on the software. I think there might be something going on with the SMT line in general, so we might need to check that out.
Okay, sounds good. I'll go ahead. I've got my wrist strap on now. I apologize for that. I'll keep it on the rest of the day.
Okay, thank you, Henry.
Thanks, Miranda.
Uh-huh.
Bye-bye. Hey, Miranda.
Oh, what's up, Henry?
How are you?
Good. How'd the conveyor go?
Good. Everything's good. Wrist straps on. Yep, wrist straps on. Alarms stopped going off. What's going on? What can I do for
Well,
you?
my next concern, I guess, is that the ionizer keeps having some positive and negative decay going on. The one over the conveyor and the SMT
Okay.
line. Do you think you guys can check that out?
Yeah, absolutely. Let me get Will to check it out. Give me 1 second. Hey, Will. Miranda's getting some alarms over on the EM aware sensor by the where the ionizer's set up. Can you check that out, please?
Yes.
Okay, good deal. Yeah, let us take a look at it, and we'll give you a call back.
All right. Thank you, guys.
Thanks, Miranda.
Hey Miranda.
Hey, what's going on?
Good morning. Well, it seems I'm looking at the ionizer, and there's been a couple points I want to look at. Is that the band was set too low. It looks like the maintenance hasn't been done on the ionizer. It's past it's PM, so I'm going to recommend that we clean the emitter pins, set the ionizer on high, and then I believe that would make it stop.
Okay.
So let me make these adjustments, and then we can go back to balance.
Do what you gotta do, Will.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Stay grounded.